Hi friends, welcome to the next lecture on Spring Boot. Last couple of lectures we have implemented the REST APIs, get users, this gets all the users, create user, creates the user, get particular user, delete a user, update user, and we have implemented the validations and we have handled exceptions like custom exceptions. In this lecture, I am going to cover Spring Boot documentation. How to document our microservices or our REST API. In case of SOAP, we have WSDL. In case of REST services, I'm going to document using Swagger. First, let me get the dependencies, Swagger dependency. Spring Boot, Swagger, Maven dependency. And select SpringFox, Maven repository. From here, I will select Swagger 2. You can select the latest version, copy from here and add dependency in form.xml file. And we need to add one more dependency, which is UI, Swagger UI, to view in HTML. All documentation can be viewed in HTML. I will be removing the comments. It downloads Swagger 2 and Swagger UI jars. And we need to configure Swagger document. We have downloaded the dependency jars. Now we have to create the configuration. I will be creating under config package and class name is Swagger config. Here WAGGER Swagger config. Hence, this is a configuration file. Spring provides @configuration annotation so that Spring scans this configuration file and create the required dependency. I am going to make it as enabling Swagger. I am going to enable the Swagger 2. I have enabled this class as Swagger 2. We need to create one bean, public docket bean. We have to create a docket bean. API method name. We need to create beans and we have to say to Spring this is a bean. Here I am going to return a bean docket RETU or and return docket, return new docket, new object, right? Returning, and we have to specify documentation type as Swagger 2. Swagger 2. It is completed now. We have added the two dependencies and we have added the Swagger 2 configuration file and we have created a bean to configuration. We have mentioned public docket API. So this bean will be created by Spring because of this annotation. I am going to start the application, run as Spring Boot app or Java app. After this, we can see few things in the console, Swagger related things. See here, it is saying mapped URL path v2/API docs. Swagger is, you can see here, Swagger document, get document. Okay, I will be opening in UI, localhost 8080. To view in UI, we have default path is swagger-ui.html. it's loaded the UI. In the UI, it's we can see our controllers. We have under controllers package, we have custom exception controller, and we have hello world controller, user controller. All these controllers are present here. Basic error controller, hello world controller, user controller. Under user controller, we have get method, which we have exposed here. Get method to get all users, create to create users, get a specific user, put a specific user, delete a user. Let's see what here. Example, this is response. We don't have to provide any input. Without providing any input, we can see the response. If it is 200 OK, we will get this response. Address, AS, ID, name, list of users we will get, because it is a get users method, get users API. Create. To create parameters, we have to pass. These are the mandatory parameters. We have to pass an user object. Response will get 200 status, and we will get the user object. Here we will get user ID. We will get the 201 created. Other things like unauthorized, forbidden, not found. These error codes we will get from the server. For get also, we need to pass the ID, which is mandatory parameter, and response will be user model. These are the 401 unauthorized, 403 for forbidden, and 404 not found. For put method also we need to pass mandatory parameter ID, and we have to pass user in the request body. You can see here body, and type is put. You can see here. Okay, we have to pass the user model. Everything is application/JSON by default. A response code will get as user model. Delete also, ID is mandatory, response will be deleted user. 204 and 404 error codes we are getting. Next, let's go to the models. Under models, hello world model and model and view. Main is user model. This is the user model is present. You see here, have user model and hello world model, exception response model. It scanned all the packages and created the models, created the APIs, Swagger documentation over here along with the response codes. We will be customizing this. We'll be giving our username, and we'll give the company, team, alias, all those things. Yeah, and we have one more URL, localhost 8080 v2 version 2 slash API slash docs. It gives the JSON response. Copy the JSON response. You can view in the JSON viewer. View in JSON viewer. My internet is a bit slow today. Paste here. viewer, see here Swagger 2.0 documentation, the UI also it will be present. Swagger 2.0 documentation, there it is, the API documentation 2.0. Okay, API Apache 2.0, terms and condition, localhost 8080, information. This is information, maybe it is not displaying in the UI. This is the documentation and info, host localhost 8080 base path. If you see here, API documentation is the description and base URL from here it takes the host and everything, creates the terms and title and contact to whom we have not specified anything, license Apache 2.0 and license to that URL, host is localhost, base path is there. Next section is tags. Tags are like, these are the tags, basic controller, these are the tags. After this tags, you can see other things also. Hello world controller, user controller, 3 tags are there. Here also you can see 3 tags. 1, 2, 3, 3 tags are present. Next is paths. Under paths we have these many paths are present. One is general, hello world model, hello world greeting and users model. And users have two varieties. One is to get all users, another one is to get user, single user. Under get all users we have two HTTP methods, two actions we can perform. One is get all users, post all users. We can post multiple users. Next is get users. Case of get user, specific user, we can get it, we can update a user, we can delete the user. Definitions are our models. Swagger documentation, if you observe below, our models. This is our definition. And in the upcoming lectures, we'll be customizing few more things. Documentation. Thank you, friends.